I was gonna say something rised, but never mind, it did not rise. Oh my god, he's bigger than everyone else. He's a big boy. Size did not seem to matter. Okay. 36 inches of mesmer. Desperate fingers. Oh, mother. Oh, mommy. Oh, mommy. Okay. Visions of beautiful... Oh my god, wait, is that why they keep saying butthole? Huh? Am I being teleported? Mikula, I'm coming. I'm coming, Mikula. I know you've been lonely without me. I was reading you bedtime stories next to your dead body egg thingy for many years. I know.
I never could have imagined it. That you are the truth rightful lord.
Oh, please don't sandwich me.
This battle could not be more fitting.
You are a fighter, are you not?
Yes, I am. Excuse me. For the longest time, I thought the player was the consort. I'm sure most of us thought that.